Welcome to DermWire News, powered by DermWire.com. DermWire News for Smart Speaker is made possible with advertising support from Dermatology. I'm Stephanie Talea with Practical Dermatology magazine. Sebaceous microparticles are now FDA cleared for use in the treatment of acne. The clearance comes on the heels of a pivotal study demonstrating the clinical safety and efficacy of microparticles. Sebaceous Incorporated had submitted its 510(k) submission to the FDA in June 2018. Sebaceous microparticles selectively target the sebaceous glands and are indicated for use as an accessory to 1064 nanometer lasers to facilitate photothermal heating of sebaceous glands for the treatment of mild to moderate inflammatory acne vulgaris. In the EU, sebaceous microparticles is CE marked and sold in select markets. Results from a U.S. pivotal randomized controlled blinded trial evaluating 168 patients with mild to moderate acne using either sebaceous microparticles with laser or laser alone show that sebaceous microparticles treatment demonstrated a 53% median reduction in inflammatory lesion count compared to 45% median reduction achieved by the laser treatment alone. The study achieved its primary endpoint of demonstrating non-inferiority at 12 weeks. It also achieved several secondary endpoints, including a 30.1% of patients treated with sebaceous microparticles achieving a clear or almost clear IGA score, a significant accomplishment for an FDA-cleared acne product, the company says. All reported adverse events, regardless of study treatment, were of mild to moderate intensity. There were no severe adverse events, nor were there any serious or unanticipated adverse events related to study treatment. Dr. Jill Weibel, a dermatologist practicing at Miami Dermatology and Laser Institute and a sebaceous clinical trial investigator, says, "The clinical results demonstrated by the U.S. pivotal study were exceptional in showing sebaceous microparticles' ability to provide a clinically meaningful reduction in acne, requiring fewer treatments compared to laser alone. We have not seen any truly innovative acne therapies developed for more than 2 decades, and with this clearance, sebaceous microparticles offers a new option for the millions of mild to moderate acne sufferers. Dermatologists are seeking new options for first-line therapies to offset the concerns of antibiotic resistance in this patient population. I expect sebaceous microparticles to further enhance patient and physician optionality while seamlessly integrating into the AAD-recommended polytherapeutic approach to managing acne." With a total of 1,243 free skin cancer screenings to its credit, the Skin Cancer Foundation's mobile skin cancer education and screening program, Destination Healthy Skin, has concluded its second annual journey around the U.S. 53 dermatologists volunteered to provide the exams aboard the 38-foot Destination Healthy Skin RV, where participants received the Skin Cancer Foundation's educational materials and Walgreens brand sun care items. About 60% of the people we served this year had never received a skin cancer screening before, says Dr. Deborah Sarnoff, president of the Skin Cancer Foundation. Without this service, it's possible that many of the suspected skin cancers we identified would go untreated. By helping people identify skin cancers early and urging them to seek treatment, this program is truly saving lives. The dermatologists identified 356 potential skin cancers and precancers, 19 of which were suspected melanomas. Dr. Julie Karen, who volunteered for one of the events in New York, examined one man who had never seen a dermatologist before. Dr. Karen flagged 2 lesions on the patient as suspected melanomas and urged him to seek follow-up care. He followed her advice and saw another dermatologist who performed a biopsy that confirmed that Dr. Karen was correct. Then he met with a surgical oncologist and the tumors were treated. Dr. Karen said her role in potentially saving this man's life exemplifies why she makes time to participate in the Destination Healthy Skin program. "I firmly believe in the mission of the Skin Cancer Foundation, and I take my job and skin cancer very seriously," Dr. Karen says. "I care so much about eradicating this condition, or at least diagnosing it early at a curable stage. That's why I make myself available for things like this. It's also important not only to give back, but to spread the message." Thank you for listening to DermWire News, powered by DermWire.com. This editorially independent program is supported with advertising from Dermatology.